Hi guys and welcome back to the channel Faiz Learning Port, and today I again come with the information regarding the SSB interviews details which was conducted recently, but it is a special information but because it is a conference out candidates details which was recently conference out from a particular board. So I'm gonna be discuss about this particular details on this video. In this video I'm gonna be discuss about the full process of SSB like OIR and PPDT. What is the OIR number, what is the PPDT image, besides its psych test, and after the GTU and interview, and also discuss about the conference details. I'm gonna be discussing all these details on this particular video, so make sure you watch this video till end so that you can learn lots of things from this video. So some not talking about the some basic details of this particular board, that is the TES 48 entry which was conducted on the 18th of October 2022 on 31st SSB Kapurthala. So that is the TES entry which was conducted on the 18th of October on the 31st SSB Kapurthala. Now moving forward, but before moving forward, I have one request to all of you guys. If you want to share your SSB details and you can want to share with us, then you can surely let me know in my Telegram as well as my Instagram. Both IDs are same, MOHDFAIZ. You can surely contact with me both of these IDs. And if you can also want to me, then you can mail me on this particular Gmail ID, that is MOHDFAIZ15y@gmail.com, because lots of students can learn from this series and they also be good in his upcoming SSB. So if you want, then you can share your details on these platforms. So now moving forward, that is the first test of SSB. Before moving forward, I have talking about some basic details of this particular board. So on this particular day, that is 18th of October, 186 candidates was reporting, in which 90 are freshers, 82 are screen outs, and 14 are repeaters, which was presented at the 18th of October and 31st SSB Kapurthala, in which how many screening I will discuss in mid of this video and how many recommend I will discuss at last of this particular video, so that you watch this video till end. Now talking about the first test of SSB, that is OIR test. As you know guys, the first test, that is OIR, in which they provide 2 booklets in which you have some questions and you have to solve within a specific time. So the DIPR booklet number is 35 and 40 was allotted, in which 50 questions each, and time for 25 minutes for the first booklet and 28 minutes for the second booklet, and you have to solve 50 questions within a 25 minute and 28 minute, which was basic reasoning questions. And besides it, if I talk about what is the questions, then some questions like that which belongs to group A. It means there are some figures and you have to find which figures belongs to group A, group B and group C. This is the questions type. And beside these questions, there is a lots of questions from the cube alike. That is, it means there is some cubes and you have to find which cubes is similar to this one or similar to this one. That is the question were asked in that DIPR booklet number. So and that is the OIR test. After this test, that is the next test, that is the picture perception and discussion test. So in this test, they provide a image and you have to observe that picture within 30 seconds and make a story. So if I talk about what is the PPDT image, then in that image, 2 persons, 1 woman and 1 man standing, and women holding a file, and 2-3 persons standing and watching them. And the scene is like that, field of village. It is a scene of field of village. That is the image which was shown to that particular board. And I found the same image, not same, but it is something like that image on the Google. That is the image which I found. It is not same image, but if we think about that, there is a man, and besides it, suppose that there is a woman and he has a file in his hand, and 2-3 men watching both of them, and the scene is like the village. So that is the image which was shown, and you have to make the story around this image. So let me know in my comment section, what will you make the theme or what will you make the story around this picture. Let me know in my comments. So that is the PPDT image which was shown to that particular board on the 18th of October. So now moving forward, that is the screening result. Now after this test, there is the day one test is completed, and after that they will announce the result. So now talking about what is the screening result. So screening, 46 candidates got screened in on that specific day, that is 18th of October, out of 187. In the 46 candidates, some are 39 are repeaters, 7 are screen outs, but no freshers got screen in. That is a very disgusting for the fresher, not for the repeaters and not for the screen out. So only 46 candidates got screen in out of 187. So it happens with the direct entry, that is the like NCC entry, TGEC entry, TES entry. This is the no examination. So in this SSBs, the ratio of screening is very low. So that is the first day completed, and after that who got screening, that is the next day, that is the day 2. Not talking about the day 2 test, that is the psychological test, in which the first test is TAT. It means thematic apperception test. In this, they shown a lot of pictures, and you have to write the stories. So the first picture is that one boy sitting with his back on wearing one shirt and shorts, writing something in the notebook. It is the first image which was shown to that board. Besides the 3 people of around 30 to 35 beating one child. That is the second image. Third image, one lady and one girl standing at sea, and nearby the sea shore ke standing one lady and one girl. And the fourth story like that ki one person weeping and two going away from them. One person is weeping nearby, and from that person, 2 persons going from that person. That is the 4 stories which 4 images shown that particular board, which was recalled by the candidates. And again, and first of all, I want to thanks to the Aman who gave this valuable information to all of you guys. So I would like to thanks to him. And now talking about the second test of the day 2, that is the psychological test, that is the WAT, WAT, in which it means World Association Test. They provide some words and you have to write the sentence around that words. So these are the words which was shown to that particular board, that is chair, darling, love, senior, merit, son, father, work. These words were shown at that particular board in World Association Test. It is only 8 recalled by the candidates by the Aman, who shared this valuable information to all of you guys. That is the only 8 words were recalled. So that is the day 2 is completed, and after that there is SRT. That is very common test, SRT and SDT. That is the very similar. It is very similar, not any change in this particular test. Now talking about the day 3, that is the day 3. It means GTO. In GTO there is a lot of tests. So if I talking about the first test of GTO, that is a GD, group discussion. If I talking about what is the GD topics, so there is 2 GD topics which was recalled by the candidates. The first topic is that what could be done to boost economy of India after COVID. That is the first topic of GD. In this there are 3 leads. First lead is boost in agriculture, boost in manufacturing, and boost in tourism. That is the 3 leads which was discussing about these particular topics. And if I talk about the second topic, that is why foreign study is seen in India. That is the second topic which was given to the candidates. And if I talk about what is the leads of this particular topic, that is the reservation system. The second is weak education system, and third one is bad infrastructure. That is the 3 leads which was given to the candidates in the second topic. That is the why foreign study is seen in India. That is the second topic. That is the 2 topics which was recalled by the candidates. Now talking about the second test of the GTU, that is lecturate. If I talk about what is the lecture topic, then is the 8 lecture topics. That is the first is globalization, Russia-India relation, television, mobile, pollution, medical tourism, Russia-Palestine relation issue, and rural divide. That is the 8 lecture topic which was recalled by the candidates. So hope so you are getting lots of things from here. If you got, then thumbs up the video. And that is the day 3. And after that, the group planning exercise, PGT, HGT, this test was conducted. It is a very same, not any changes in this particular test. Now talking about the day 4. So that is the day 4 is called for interview day. In this day, there is a personal interview which was conducted by the interview officer. So in the interview they ask some basic question like about your lifestyle, about your hobbies, about your qualification. These things were asked, but some different question which was asked by the ISSS to the candidates, that is here. First question is like South American countries के 2 names, besides the North American countries के 2 name, besides it India के South में islands, and Australia country island है या ऑस्ट्रेलिया कंट्री है या आइलैंड है. बिसाइड्स इट अंटार्कटिका में कितने कंट्रीज हैं. दैट इज आल्सो क्वेश्चन आस्क्ड. मुगल डायनेस्टी के किंग्स लास्ट वॉर फॉट बाय द कैंडिडेट. दैट इज द समथिंग डिफरेंट क्वेश्चन विच वाज आस्क्ड टू द कैंडिडेट्स ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर बोर्ड. सो आई विल गिव यू इन here. That is the question which was asked by the candidates. So it by this way day 4 is conducted. After that there is a 5th day. That is the game changing day of it is called, because it is a conference day. In the day there is a conference which was held by the lots of assessors will assess you on that particular board. So in which it takes a lot of time by the assessors. It means there is a chances of recommendation, but in his case, Aman's case, there is only 2 minutes were taken by the assessors in his conference. And in the conference they ask some questions like task performance, perform best by you, add rate yourself, are you excited, who can get recommend. These questions were asked in the conference. So that is the conference day. So by it means there is a SSB all day was completed. So after then the result will announce. So the final result is announced like that ki only 4 candidates got recommend out of 46, because 46 candidates got a screening, in which 4 candidates got recommend. So that is very good, very good and best thing for the candidates who got recommend. And it is the whole test of SSB, and only 4 candidates got recommend on the particular board, that is 31st SSB Kapurthala. So that's all from this video. Hope you like the video, and if you like, then thumbs up the video and share with all your friends. And one more thing, if you want to share your SSB details and you want to share your SSB experience, then you can surely let me know in my Instagram as well as my Telegram. Both IDs are same, MOHDFAIZ15Y. You can want to share, if you want, then you can share with these platform. And you can also mail me on this particular Gmail ID, that is mohammadfaiz15y@gmail.com. If you share this data, then lots of students can benefit from this series and from this channel. So make sure, if you want, then you can share the data on this particular email IDs or the Telegram or Instagram IDs. And if you are the first time this channel, then subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon, because in the upcoming days I will upload lots of videos regarding the SSB interviews, which will be very beneficial for your SSB preparation. And one more thing, if you want to, then save this particular playlist, which link shown in the I button, because in this playlist I have a lots of information and the SSB details which was conducted recently. So save this particular playlist on the mobile, because in this channel I have lots of data, I have lots of content on this channel, so might be possible you get confused from the content. So you save this particular playlist so that you can't miss any update from the SSB details. So hope so you like the video and share with all your friends. So see you in the next time.